Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. I just thought I'd make a video today to start off my winter projects, which is a winter woodland. So in the Woodland Wonders series that I've been doing, I have showed you the Wild at Heart paper pad, and I just saved these 3 in the 8x8, and then I saved 4 in the 12x12 because these are the colours that I'm going to be doing for winter. So that's they're the only scrapbook papers I have got. I have been looking for some more plain blue ones, but to be honest, I didn't want to buy a whole paper pad just for you know, we're only wanting several sheets type thing. So the kit that I am using is the Artymaze one. I've had this a whole year. I didn't end up using it last year. I just didn't really feel confident enough to use it. So I think some of these other papers are actually from my porch prints. I've just mixed those up just for the blue backgrounds. Yeah, there probably will be doubles in that. I have got the Tania kit to this as well, so I expect to see a few Tians, which is really what I wanted the scrapbook paper for doing the covers. So that's that. They're the backing sheets to it. I think I've printed loads of those off, and then there's some lined ones. So that's that. Then I don't know what's in here because there looks like there's lined in here as well. This is what I've printed in cards. So that was on 100, I think it's 110 GSM white paper. This is 200 GSM cards. So yeah, I've printed some of it off on that. I think it looks a lot clearer on the card. And then that's the TN size. So yeah, probably need to go back in and obviously print some more off when I know exactly what I'm going to be doing with it, because as yet I don't know. I know that I will make some TNs, but that's about as far as I've got. Then I've got those little musics from I forgot who sent me these. Your Creative Studio. Yeah, I think it was the unboxing that I did for them. So they will get mixed in with the winter stuff. So I think I must have started cutting some of this up. Let me get to the full pages. So yeah, I thought I'll video it now before I get it all cut up. So some beautiful tags. These are all on 200 GSM white card. Beautiful. Stunning kit. A lot of these, when I cut them, I will keep them in the 2s just in case I want to make them into little notebooks. Same with these, when I cut them out, I'll just keep them in the 2, and then gives me that option when I use it. If to, I must, I was going to say I must run that back through and print the inside. Then again, I will just cut the whole thing out and leave it as one till I decide. And look at me, look, I've printed the backs. Wow, I surprise myself sometimes. Yeah, done them all. So I printed those off quite a few times because I obviously thought they'd be good bases for me to make my own. Then I've done them in 2 to a page. Some lovely envelopes. Can't wait to use this cap. But yeah, it's a massive kit. Obviously I've printed a lot of things off too. They're beautiful, they are. That hair's really, really lovely. Look at the style. Yeah, a lot of them I've printed twice or two to a page to get different sizes and stuff. So yeah, they're all duplicates of. So then, you know, they can be used as little embellishments. So that's that. That's a lot of cutting that I need to do. So I thought I'd get this filmed. I'm filming it. It's like the end of October, hence why I've still got autumn out. But yeah, I wanted to get it filmed so I could start cutting into it. So I've sorted out some white bases, which was a little bit hard because obviously tea dye everything. So I've got some long thin envelopes. They're from Violet. I've got some, these are like textured, and Ali the Cockney Crafter sent me those ones. I've got some white CD cases. Managed to grab a few out of my to be tea stained pile. I've got some long like DL size envelopes. I've got some different size window envelopes, so I've got those ones and the normal DL ones. Then I've got some glassine bags in different sizes, so I think I've got 4 different sizes of glassine bags. And then I've got some like pearlized paper that Julie from Camilla Crafts sent me. So that's all I could drum up. I have got more, you know, of the envelopes and the CD envelopes, what haven't been coffee dyed, but I've got nothing, you know, no other kinds of bases to work on. So that's them. Then I asked Violet to do me my die cuts. So I've had the Tim Holtz Wildflowers, and she's done them in navy, this icy blue, black, white and silver. So they're going to be absolutely fab. Love the silver ones peeping out. She's done me lots of tabs. So she's done me some in the Wild at Heart papers, and then some in blue and navy. I think there's a few silver ones in there as well, and a few silver for the top of your tags. They're really nice. Love that silver paper. And she's done me some Christmas trees in silver, and then some in black, and then there's some black branches and some tall black trees, because that kit reminds me very much of like silhouettes and things like that. So I thought they'd be quite interesting. Then I've got some owls and some deers and foxes and hedgehogs. I think there's a few rabbits in there as well. And then she's done me these lovely silhouette dies. So that there's that one of a church. There's some houses, and I think there's some of trees with reindeers underneath and things like that. So that's lots of things to play with. And she made me a few more envelopes up with the Wild at Heart paper, and then she's just done with some plain tags and some circles and some like decorative edges, and then some book plates and things like that. So that's that one. And then in here she's just done me a variety of pockets in the same colours. So that's all the die cuts. Hopefully I'll have some little sets in the shop of die cuts and things like that. So that's what I'll be using. And I've bought myself 2 more of the Momentous Dewdrop inks. So I've had Summer Sky and London Fog, because I've already got, you know, a black one. Don't they fit? I'm just trying to put them in my pile. Yeah, so I've got a black one, so that'll be my inks. Just sorted out some blue buttons and put them to one side. Got some lovely blue bows, those from eBay, and they've already got the sticky tape on. These are from my friend in America, Roxana. She sent me these quite a few months ago, and I just put them to one side. So we've got this baby blanket binding, which is nice silky. And then we've got this, which reminds me of Frozen. So that's that. And then Julie sent me some eyelash trims. So got all those, and I managed to get hold of, it's more like a creamy white than a white. So yeah, got a whole ball of that. But hopefully I'll be able to make some of the little packs up that I've done with the Woodland Wonders of trims and things. Got some, this is a bundle that I bought from eBay. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely stunning. That's so pretty. So I'm thinking pockets with that. And then this lovely blue one, again, pockets. And then there was all these different kinds of laces and ribbons in with the bundle. So lots of whites and blues, but I bought a bundle off the same lady before when I was for the vintagey ones in creams and stuff, and I was really very pleased with it for how much it was and the different amounts, and they are very long pieces. So that's those. And what else have I got? These are out of the stash. I've just put them all together. So I've got some glitter, so that's going to be fun. And then I've got some glitter glue and some stickles. Not sure why I'll need that and that, but these are actually out of a set that I'd bought my daughter, but she no longer, you know, does that kind of craft. So I rescued them from before they went in the bin, and I'd already bought these for when I did a bluebird theme at the beginning of the year, and I did put some stickers on and that was really fun. And just put those in there. And then what have I got in here? I've got some lovely snowflake trim, and then I've got some leaf trim with acorns on, that's all silvery, and some silver leaf. So that's trims. I think that's about it. Oh yes, and I've got some stickers. So I've got 2 packs of these. These was just off Etsy. I think lots of sellers sell them. So I just got this off a UK seller. You always tend to pay a bit more price wise, but you get them a lot quicker. So yeah, I'll definitely be saving that packaging. That's beautiful. In fact, that will probably go with the the kit that I'm doing with Nanine, same as the red berries. So I think anything red and green in this kit I'll probably separate. So lovely stag, they're probably better on there. There's some more leaves, some little jars with trees on. Oh yeah, these stags are beautiful. And then if they don't get used, obviously for this, they can go in my Woodland Wonders stash. Nice tree. Some branches. More stags. Now I've got 2 packets because I did think, oh, I bet there's only like one or 2 stags in it. So, oh, that one's got a deer in it. That's nice. Another one with a deer. Oh, 2 foxes. And a bear. So yeah, you must get 2 of each. Yeah, because they're a different picture to that, aren't they? I can see now. Another tree, another branch. I'll keep the trees because I think they're more black than green. Another stag. Oh, I like these, the trees in the background. They are nice. Yeah, really nice stickers, these, like water colour. And some fir branches. Another berry one. Another deer one. And I've just dropped one. I think it's the penguin. Yeah, the penguin. So yeah, when I've turned the video off, I'll sit and sort those out and put those in the folder with Nanine's project. Well, more green Christmas botanicals. I'm going to put them with them actually. So that's that. Thank you very much for joining me and having a peep at what I'm going to be working with. Really quite excited. It's obviously it's a bit different, especially colour wise and stuff, but I suppose it won't be that different. It's only the woodland theme but in a different colour. So yeah, I should get on all right with it. So that's me for now. You will be seeing more of this. Not sure how much of it I will be you know, videoing, but yeah, I hope to do quite a few different projects. Probably do some window envelopes and things like that, and some tags with the background tags from the Artymaze kit. The animals are absolutely super. But yeah, like I say, I can always save these animals and the botanicals. Yeah, as soon as I saw these stickers, I thought, oh, definitely want those. And I think when you do put them on, I don't think you're going to be able to see they're not shiny at all. They're that nice matte. So it kind of hides that it's a sticker. So I've just sat and done all that there. So that's beautiful. Yeah. Just thinking that could be a tag, and then turn it over and have some kind of tuck in it. Just cover that bit. Yeah, beautiful packaging. Right, I'm going. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me and helping me get ready for new projects. So see you soon. Bye for now.